The topic for today is Gyan Yagya, the greatest movement of the present era. The core power of the human beings is the thought process. This has made it possible for the mankind to make so much of progress accomplished until now. Problems arise as a result of abnormalities or anomalies in thoughts and can be resolved by changing the way of thinking. A person really becomes the way he or she thinks. The direction of thoughts defines the deeds, and the deeds give rise to relevant situations or circumstances we come across. The circumstances do not have any independent existence. They are merely the product of our deeds. Similarly, the actions do not take place automatically. They are driven by our thoughts, which are totally responsible for our deeds. The true understanding of this fundamental truth can help us find the causes and solutions of all the present day problems. It is very unfortunate that a very little thinking of this kind has ever been done so far, and that too has not been accorded much significance it deserves. The leaders kept on thinking that improving comforts and facilities, that is, the standards of living, would make people happy and at ease, enabling them to solve their problems themselves. But it is well evident that this kind of misconceptions have proven wrong. The efforts made to improve the material standards of the administration have ended up with even more irregularities being committed. The improved economy has no doubt yielded more facilities and conveniences, but the ultimate outcome has always been the opposite. Such progress is superficial and fragile and can easily fall to pieces. A long lasting progress and powerful capabilities need a very powerful character which can only develop on the solid foundation of eminent thinking. The Gyan Yagya can nurture with such thoughts. It may seemingly appear to be trivial campaign but has so much immense potential that if it can be run and managed properly, it would facilitate sound establishment of prudent thinking and noble deeds among the masses, which can ultimately make the dream of a new era come true. A selfless work or campaign of disseminating life is elevating thoughts or knowledge by Pandit Sri Ram Sharma Acharya ji. Thank you.